Okay guys, this is the part 2 of our mini vlog. So the time has changed already guys. It moved back again to 8 o'clock because earlier in Alberta it's 8 o'clock and then na-shock ako, 8 o'clock ulit. So this is British Columbia time zone already. 8:11. Quebec, gusto ko next na puntahan natin Quebec. Quebec. Ay, hindi, nakalima na tayo. Toronto, my love. No? Nakalima, naka-Ontario na rin pala tayo, guys. So, we had already 5 provinces, guys. Toronto. Yes. We did there at Toronto already, guys.
Let's have a break on Dawson's Creek.
Yes, let's have a break. Quickie breaking.
Before we go to the mountain, because there's really a mountain down there.
Yeah, mountain. Oh, love, kasi kaya ko love tinanong kina Isa.
170.
Oo. If same way ang Vancouver sa way papunta sa kanila. Kasi love, maganda talaga ang view doon. Papuntang Vancouver is puro bundok din nun, dear. Puro bundok, puro bangin, my love. Well, sabi din nila si Isa, di ba? Bundok pangin din daw doon, di ba? Kanila. So, I think we're entering a small town here, guys. Kasi nag-slow down na. Mga 70 na ba? I don't know what town is this. Let's check.
In about 10 kilometers, turn left onto Dangerous Goods route.
Old Edmonton Highway ahead. Scale, open scale. So, minimum na tumatawid. So, nobody's crossing, guys. Wala pang sign kung anong town to, no, dear?
Dito pala, dahil pala dito ka lang.
Lab rest area lang yan. It's just a rest area.
Is it Dawson Creek?
Ayan, what is that? Police park. Pause Park. Pause. Welcome to Pause Park. Pause or pause? Pause. So guys, we're looking for a sign signage if what town is this. Because right now we're on 8.6 kilometers before Danger Goods route.
Yeah, so we have to find
Yeah,
first
yeah.
done.
We have to find is another stopover. Magkakarga ka ba dito ng gas?
Ako lang magkakarga ako.
Okay.
Kahit mga...
Ay, nakapila yata si ate.
At the stop sign, turn right.
No, huwag ka maka-apologize. Ito na tayo. Ito.
Oo nga. Umalis lang siya eh, di ba?
Hindi ka naka.
Proceed to the route.
Okay guys, see you in a bit. I think it's a Paus. Welcome Paus Cope. There you go guys. Paus Cope. Okay.
I'm gonna take a picture.
See you later guys.